Hello, today I just got a new vacuum, very cheap. I purchased on eBay. The cost is 26 bucks. It is Bissell vacuum, small one, 3 in 1. There is a handle, and then the cable is not wireless cable charger, it's just cable, and also the tip that connect to the body, the plastic container, right? The tank. I don't know what does it called. And only one filter with it. And I already tried. The power is good. And then I try vacuum in the car, which is I didn't think about the small parts that connect at the mouth of the vacuum, and then can get into the tiny socket in the car. Anyway, I may purchase another one for using in the car, but this one so far I like it though because the power is great. I think about the old vacuums, two of them, when I came here at first in 2008. My husband owned them, and I have no idea that was for, not that what they were for the car. So I sold them, both of them, cheap, and I just used the big machine for vacuum in the car for a while, and then now I would like to get a small one, and then I thought this one is good for the car, but when I get it today I noticed I need another one because it vacuum good on the floor, on the seat, but cannot get into the tiny area. So if anybody looking for get the small vacuum and cheap, I recommend this one for now. It's good. I will keep using upstairs, so I don't need to carry the heavy one upstairs anymore. Okay, I will show you how to connect them. This is the body, and then just connect the head part, right? And then the handle, easy, just open here and put it in and lock it here. Yeah, and also easy part to hold the cable also. Thank you for watching. Bye.